choosing to believe that you will give me another chance. Oh, so tell me now, can we find love? Can we go back to where we were?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you can see, my nails has been a minute since I have gotten them done, had any acrylic, fake nails, polygel, anything done to my nails. And today I want to show you guys this new kit that I got from Kiara Sky Nails, and I want to show you guys how I do my nails by myself at home. So yeah, I'm just ready to kind of have my nails done, even though I've been stuck in the house, you know, most of 2020 and then now at the beginning of 2021 as well. I'm just like, why not? I mean, if you look good, you feel good, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and do my nails. So I am gonna be using the Kiara Sky, their jelly tip starter kit. It comes with all 4 steps with it, which is really cool. And then it also comes with the tips that are already shaped for you. So I went ahead and got the coffin, and it's medium size, so they're not too long. It also did come with this little one. So when you are putting and applying these tips on one by one, this will make it nice and easy for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start with this cuticle softener. I just wanna apply this to all of my fingers. I'm gonna go in with this cuticle trimmer. So you just wanna get any excess skin that you see, and do this really slowly and carefully because these are pretty sharp, but they get the job done. So after I get that, I'm just gonna take some of the shine off. You want to brush off all the excess that you have on there because you just want to have a nice smooth finish with your polish and the application of the nails. Next, I am just going to go in and shape them just a little bit. My nails are really long right now, so I'm just going to shape them down. This is what my nails are looking like right now, and so I'm going to go ahead and go in with step 1, which is the prep. And I feel like this is just kind of like a dehydrator for the nail. It's more like just to prep it, you know, so it lasts a long time. And you only want to put 1 coat on. Step 2, and this is going to be the primer. And again, you want to just do 1 coat of this as well on the nail. After you put your step 1 and 2 on there, you want to go ahead and go in with your jelly tips. And like I said, I did get the coffin shape, and you can see it has a ton of options in here and a lot of them. I know I'm going to get to do my nails quite often. You want to go in now and just size them and find the right size for each of your fingers. So after I got all of my size picked out, I know it's kind of hard to see, but I have them all picked out. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next step, which is taking a file, or if you have a drill and you just want to remove the shine inside of the nail, this is just going to make it apply better. I really wish I had my drill, but it actually ran out of batteries. So I'm just gonna take my filer and see if I can kind of remove the shine that way. You just want to do it where it's going to come in contact with your natural nail. Next, I'm going to go in with step 3, and this is going to be the builder. So I'm just going to apply a thin layer onto my nail, and then you want to cure it underneath this light for at least 30 seconds. So this is actually pretty thick, so I think it's going to be the glue part, but you just, after you put a thin layer on, you want to just press the button on the back of the light and place this under here for 30 seconds. This light, you guys, is actually super cute and it really dries your nail super fast. Like I said, it only takes 30 seconds. After you cure it for 30 seconds, you want to take your jelly tip, get a nice even layer on here of where it's going to come in contact with your actual natural nail. So think of this as like the glue to what's going to keep all of this on. You're going to want to place this on your nail, make sure it is flat, and then once you do, hang on to it. You want to place it underneath the light, and you just want to hold on to this for 10 seconds because that's going to at least hold it on there and glue it to your nail, and then after that you're going to dry it for an additional 30 seconds. First tip on, like it's on there pretty sturdy, and then I'm just going to go ahead and go to the next one. So guys, they have so many different shapes. Like I said, I got the coffin medium, they have coffin long, coffin short, and then they have square, they have round, they have stiletto. So they have all the shapes that you guys need if you want to try any of them. I really recommend it. You can always just buy the jelly tips if you like, but the starter kit so far has been the best for me. It's gonna just save me so much money. Being able to do your own nails, I feel like just makes you feel empowered too. This is a good self-care day. Like if you want to be creative, you can just do your own nails and it makes you feel so good. I honestly just love having my nails done. Okay guys, so this is what the nails are looking like so far with them all on and no polish. I'm gonna go in with my nail clipper and I just feel like it's a little too long, so I'm gonna cut where the number is. There's like a number for each of them, and so I'm just going to cut them off at that. I'm gonna go in and remove the shine on all of the nails. Okay guys, so this is what my nails are looking like so far. I had to just go ahead and just keep it simple and do just plain white nails. The key is to go just really slow around your cuticle and just bring it up. And with OPI, you want to make sure you get a lot of polish on your brush because I've realized that it dries really fast. Go in with my brush and some nail polish remover and just go ahead and clean it up a little bit. Okay, so my nails are fully dried. I'm gonna go in with the last step, which is step 4, and this is gonna be their top coat. So I'm super excited because this means that we're almost done. Consistency of this is a little more watery than I like, so you have to not use too much of it. So this is what my left hand is looking like after I finished. I'm really loving it, guys. I definitely am gonna feel more confident the next time I do them, so I can actually try to do the French tip. I will for sure do that, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish this other hand off camera. Okay guys, so this is the final look of my nails. They look so good and better than I thought they would turn out. I really did want to try the French tip, but obviously it didn't work out, but it's okay. I'm gonna definitely try them on a different video, and I'm also gonna try some different colors. So honestly, I really love these jelly tips and am obsessed with them. If you guys definitely want to see some more nail videos, please let me know in the comments below and I will bring them to you. But yeah, guys, overall, super excited and love these nails. I will let you know how long they last, and I will see you guys on my next video.